Joto Tiprasano Hamagu. Happy? Everybody happy? Wah, Chief Minister. Professor Dr. Manik Saha. Tiprasano Hamzak Fubo. Tiprasa sudah damu komungka. Asu da klai. Tiprasano asuk Hamzagu hungka ke. Tamni tiprasarano seleng senamai seleng hakin demand kari tonase. Tamni bagi roman script dia. Koborano sina bagi. Tamni bagi land rights dia. Tiprasarano. Wah, dear Chief Minister, if you love the Tiprasa people, you would have allowed the use of Roman script for Cobra language. You would have given them the land rights. But what we have seen, you make the Tiprasa beggars, and you think we are the beggars. And now, during the time of election, you said you love the Tiprasa, but whereas you have denied the very rights of the indigenous people, you have not given the rights that is for the indigenous people, that is for the Tiprasa people. We are only asking you to give us what is ours, but you have not done so. But now you came with a fake love and saying, Joto Tiprasana Hamagu. Is that love?